In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select the pictures in Gamma I. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser, head to the Gamma website, and open the deck or document you want to work on. Once you're in, you'll be working on individual cards or slides, so make sure you're on the card where the image should appear. The quickest way to add a picture is using the plus button on the card. Click the plus, choose image, and you'll see two straightforward options. You can browse the built-in stock images, which is great for fast, high-quality visuals, or you can upload a file from your computer if you already have a specific photo ready. When choosing stock, try a few focused keywords that match your topic and tone. When uploading, pick a clear, high-resolution image so it looks sharp in your layout. If you'd like something unique and tailored, you can generate a picture with AI right inside Gamma. From the top menu, click Insert, then Image, then Generate with AI. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want to see. A clean, concise prompt works best, like minimalist workspace with laptop and coffee. Feel free to include style or mood words if you have them, such as warm lighting, pastel colors, or overhead angle. Gamma will create a few options based on your prompt. Take a moment to compare them and select the one that fits your content and layout. When you're happy with the choice, click Insert, and it will appear on your card. Sometimes you already have an image on the slide and simply want to swap it for a better one. That's just as easy. Click the image you want to change to select it. Then click Replace. You'll get the same familiar choices. Upload a new file from your computer, pick something from stock, or generate a fresh AI image. As you replace, aim for a similar orientation or composition so your slide layout stays balanced. If your slide uses a specific color scheme or style, pick images that complement those choices for a more consistent look across the deck. To recap, add pictures fast with the plus button, generate custom visuals with Insert, Image, Generate with AI, and swap any existing photo using Replace. With these options, you can move smoothly from idea to polished visual in just a few clicks. Take a moment after each insertion to confirm the image supports your message